Today I'm going to discuss the most important poem is from First Flight book of 10th class student is Animal. Walt Whitman was born 1819 and was a major figure in early American poetry. He broke the traditions of the rhymed and metrical poetries. He was famous for writing a revolutionary new kind of poetry, which was in free verse. Walt Whitman has shown comparison between the human being and animals in his poem. He has pointed out the evil present in the human brain but which is not present in animal. He want to describe that the animals are better than human being. Human beings are greedy and full of jealousy each other. But animals are calm and self-contained and often happy with whatever they have in the forest. They never complain about the miseries and sorrows. On the other hand, human beings are greedy and selfish as they always run after the rich people, often luxurious things of the world. Animals are living a honest life, which is less than jealousy to each other. There is a literary device. The poet has used the assonance devices, for example, use of vowels in the poems like I think, I live with the animals. They all words are sounding vowels. There is a sounds of vowels like A, I, O, U. Repetitions. There are some words which are repeated again and again. There is a repetition of the words. The long word is repeated again and again. Anaphora. Anaphora, a word used at the two lines of the starting, which is the consecutive lines. Theme of the poem. In this poem, poet praises animals as they are better than human beings. They have calmness and honest behavior with each other. On the other hand, human beings are lack of these qualities as they have greedy and jealous behavior to other peoples around them. Therefore, poet want to be an animal rather than human being. The conclusion of the poem is that how the animals are better than the human being as they have better qualities from the human being. For example, calmness, honesty, and other qualities. They want to live a simple and honest life with each other. They don't have any kind of behavior like greediness, like jealousy. This kind of things are always present in the human brain. That's why Walt Whitman was want to describe these kind of qualities of animals, which is totally different from the human beings, and therefore he want to be an animal rather than a human being because he is fed up with these qualities which is present in the human brain, which is full of jealousy, which is full of greediness. That's why poet want to describe how the animals are much better than human beings. He has pointed out the evil present in the human brain, but which is not present in the animals. He wants to describe that the animals are better than human beings. Human beings are greedy and full of jealousy each other, but animals are calm and self-contained and often happy with whatever they have in the forest. They never complain about anything. They never complain and they never want any kind of thing. Whatever they have, they are self contained with these things. But animals are calm and self contained. They never complain about the miseries and sorrows. On the other hand, human beings are greedy and selfish, as they always run after the rich peoples and after luxurious things. Human beings are always runs after the rich peoples and after luxurious things of the world. Animals are living a honest life, which is less than jealousy to each other. Literary devices. As I have told you, The poet has used the assonance device, for example use of vowels. ठीक है, there is another is point is repetition, anaphora, and I have also told you about the theme of the poem. The main theme of the poem is that how the poet is praises animal. He praises animal rather than human being because he impressed with the animals' qualities like calmness, honesty with each other. They are self-contained. They really don't want to need anything in their life. Whatever they have in the forest, they are happy with that. They never want to be complain about all the things. I want this and that. But human beings are always ready to complain about the things. I want this and that. That's why. The conclusion of the story is also about this the greediness and jealous behavior of the human being. The poet is want to tell us how the animals are much better than human beings because they are self-contained. They never complain about anything. They really don't have any kind of greediness behavior. They are calm and honest with each other. They want to lead their life with each other. These kind of things and these kind of better qualities they have, and poet is impressed with that, and he praises the animal, and he want to be an animal because he really don't want to lead an this kind of human life which the other pupils are living, which is full of jealousy, which is full of greediness. Thank you. I hope you like my videos. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. And if you really want to know the other poem details and which kind of the structure of the examination you have to be follow in order to write your answer in the proper way. If you really want to know that, if you really wants to need a notes about this kind of structure which I have already provide you in my videos, you really don't need any kind of preparation of the other notes. These notes are the enough for you because you will face the questions like 10 marks in your examination, and you will definitely get the full marks if you follow the same structure of the answer. Don't uh, uh, don't ignore any kind of point. I have mentioned it in my video. All the points are very important: the theme, literary devices, conclusion, and the introduction of the writer and the poet, and these kind of things are always important, and the main description of the whole poem is also very important. So don't ignore any kind of point, and you have to write all the point, and then you will get the maximum marks. Otherwise, if you ignore any kind of point which is very important, you will not get the proper marks. Okay, thank you.